Christmas out for the 1,000th time, and I'm picking up 2. We're going into Winners.
Hey, what's that? Look at that! Look what Angie's making! Looks so yummy!
Hey, so welcome back. I'm Ashley Monique, and thank you for clicking on this video. So today is December 1st, and this is when I become a redhead again. I'm planning a kids party, a children's party, a Christmas party, and I have a few errands to run real quick. Really 2 stops, but just a few more things I gotta get for this party. I'm not wearing the right shoes. This is the first like big snowfall. We had a snowfall the other day, but it wasn't so bad. It was very light. And peanut. These ones $4.50. And I do need a candy cane and gift for girls. Let's do this one. So I do have some of these, but I'm gonna get one more pack. It's a snowball fight. They can actually do that. Like almost like a snowman bowling, but snowball fight sounds fun. Oh, they got these too. Let's do these ones. That one right here. Man, I forgot my list. Okay, my list. Cotton balls. Candy cane, we got that. Go to the kitchen section. I need a white spatula. Honestly, because it's being used for a game, I'm gonna get the cheapest one. So these are $1.75. We got 2 of these. Alright, so these bag of cotton balls will cover a few games. Because I have a guessing game, I'm gonna get 200 and then split it up. Okay, so I bought one of these for my last girls' night, and these are so cute. I'm gonna get another one. It's Wine Wash Co. Pop Fizz Clean. I got the pink one before. Cleano Grego. I got this one, the Rose Rinse Repeat. So I'm gonna get a blue one, and I'm gonna get another pink one. Oops. These are cute. Down the Christmas aisle for the 1,000th time, and I finally see these reindeers come and go, so I'm picking up 2. No doubt. It's so nice and soft. So Dollarama has this photo props, and this is what's in it. I'm gonna choose this one. We're gonna have an adult Christmas party too, so that will work for both. These mini pens. Wow, look at this cart, and I forgot about my list. What the hell? My small list, look at my cart. Cotton balls, old black construction paper, orange candy. Where's the candy at? Minis would be good. Like Kit Kat minis. So I misplaced my list. So just so I remember, I'm telling you guys, I need the chocolate spoons. Found my list. So we're going into Winners. In Winners, I need the hot chocolate spoons, and that's really it. Let's hope I don't buy what I don't need. I really do that a lot in winter. All right, so I got what I came for, the spoons, the same ones that broke. These broken. Oh my God. And then I got these Irish cream ones. These are nice. And I seen this Merry Christmas lantern. I have a perfect place for it. It's $19.99 and it's missing a piece, so it will be on sale. Got what I needed. See how these can work. Paint your own plaster set. So these are little ornaments. That's cute too. Scented stationery sets. There's markers, a push pen, and a paper. This is cute. How many is in here? 5 letters. Well, this would be cute. We can give one out to each kid. This is $6. Holiday activity. Spider-Man. 1, 2, 3. We got 4. All the toys. But it's that time again.
Money Minion!
By this time, I was super exhausted and ready to go to bed. But the party was at 1 p.m. and then we had a Christmas breakfast at 9 a.m. So I had to get done as much as I could the night before. So when I get back home, we just get the party started. So my thought process for the entrance was that everyone would come in and take a photo at the backdrop that is directly behind the camera. So it was similar to the red sequin, but it was gold sequin. It was a big backdrop, and then on the table would be the photo props, as well as you'll see I put a little Christmas tree there, the snowball guessing game, and also the letter to Santa, so that when they come in, they get something to do before the party gets started. So for the snowball guessing game, I did get this jar from Dollar Tree. I got the pack of cotton balls from Dollarama, and it was a pack of 100. So I just put in some and then counted what was left in the bag. If you can guess how much was in this jar, let me know down in the comments. So all of these additional items will be going on the table as more photo props, Santa Claus hat, some elf ears, as well as the fringe squealers, they call them, but like the blowers. So when they came in, they made so much noise with it and they loved it. I successfully made the Grinch punch and it was great. It tasted amazing, and the Grinch did get a little tipsy after the party.
Jelly shots or?
I was supposed to make that.
Hey, what's that? Look at that. Look what Angie's making. Whoa. I don't know, but it looks so yummy.
Everyone definitely enjoyed themselves, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video and send me a comment if you've ever thought about having a children's Christmas party.